All right, what's going on? All right, so we are down in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Just getting some stuff packed up here. We're gonna go down to the water and get our kayaks out. All right.
Yes, we got our paddleboard out yesterday and had a blast.
Yeah.
But didn't film anything.
No, we kind of
We
just
took a day off.
enjoyed it.
So we're gonna show you how beautiful Beavers Bend State Park is. I mean, it's one of my favorite state parks ever.
Yeah.
So come with us.
Yeah. Come with us.
Shut up.
I want to show y'all. We got a cool little setup. So we bought this, I don't know, a few years ago for Arlo for his birthday. And we're just getting it out for the very first time, which is crazy. It's been almost 2 years. But we never really had the trees. I mean, we did, but I guess we never just did it. So it's a pretty cool little obstacle course. I mean, it's got everything. We got our hammocks up. It's got a little zip line, so the kids are able to zip line. And there's the creek. So our RV backs up to the creek. If I turn ya, here's our setup. So really pretty spot. It's called Creekside RV Park down in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Very big spots. It's just 2 rows of back ends down. You do have road noise off 259, but it's not that bad. I mean, you get used to it. There's a lot of trucker logs, log trucks, stuff like that rolling down there, but that's really just during the day. But if you can back up to the creek side, at least you get the creek. So it's a cool spot. So if you're ever down here, definitely hit up this campground. It's pretty cool. Can you take that to the car? I don't think there's anything in it.
We got all the Gatorades.
Oh, you put Gatorades in there?
Yeah, just Gatorade. Just Gatorade.
Just Gatorade. Yeah. Can you do it?
Dad, did you see what was in it?
Huh?
Yeah. Did you see what was in it? Yeah, you already saw it.
Yeah, Gatorade's right.
Yeah, all of them are good.
Yeah. Buddy, I may have to help you there. Golly, we
I can't
crammed.
believe I just put that on.
Well, do you think we crammed it in here or what? So they filled our beer cooler full of Gatorade.
What were they thinking?
So we just got into the state park, Broken Bow State Park, and we found a little launch for our kayaks. So now we're gonna blow them up, and it looks very pretty. So check the launch right here. Our kayaks.
Hi.
That took a minute, but Yeah, I'm sweating a little bit. The kayaks. So we got these at Walmart a few years ago for what, 150 bucks a piece or something?
Cheaper than that, I think.
Yeah, so we went to rent some and they wanted 300 bucks or something like that.
For just a few hours. So we went to Walmart and got these. I think they were $125 a piece, and they've lasted us a couple years now.
Yep. So we'll see. What's that?
Are there sharks in here?
There's sharks.
Is there alligators in here?
Oh, maybe. So you got it.
Best word.
What did you do?
Said, you paddle for a minute. He's tired. You're such a good paddler, though.
Thank you.
That breeze feels good.
It does feel good, doesn't it? Oh, it feels real good. Is it hot out here?
Ooh, there's somewhere. Right there.
Yeah.
Daddy, got boo-boo.
Let me see. I can't see on the camera.
Oh, careful, buddy. Very slippery. Are you okay? Super slippery.
Okay, so we just kayaked for a little bit and we were told about this little creek.
25,000 minutes.
And so it's pretty cool. How long?
25,000 minutes.
We kayaked for 25,000 minutes.
So basically, like 25 minutes, probably.
It's cool though. Just come into this little cove.
Yeah, check out this freaking. It's called Thunder Bridge Lodge.
There's a lodge up there. I know there's tons of fish. There's some big ones.
Careful, Dad. You want me to come get you? Can you get 'em?
No. Oh, there's one. There's a big one. Okay, so we just finished our kayaking. How was it?
So good.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, blowing those things up, it can be kind of daunting, but if you have an electric pump, I think it'd be easier. I think we tried that once. I don't know why it didn't work, but
Yeah. Maybe we need to try it.
yeah, I think I'm gonna have to try it again. I did it once, and I don't know, for some reason, it's just, I don't know, whatever. But we just did that, had a good time at the little creek, and yeah. So that was cool. They just fold right back up into these little bags, which is nice. But yeah, beautiful lake. Just a beautiful lake. What did y'all think of that? That was fun? You had a good time kayaking? You don't look like it.
Blast.
Are you tired?